Today the topic we are looking at is Form 4 topic Statistics 2. Now the first thing we are going to look at is the measures of central tendency. Now in Form 2 we learned the common measures of central tendencies, that is the mean, median and the mode. Now we saw that mean is given as the sum of all values over the total number of the values that we have in the data that is given. That is x bar. X bar is the symbol for the mean. So x bar is given as sigma fx, or the sum of fx over the sum of f. F here is the frequencies and x is the items that we have been given. So today we are going to look at how to find the mean from an assumed mean or a working mean. What this means is that you're given a set of data, then you pick a mean, you assume that this is the mean of this data, then we work from this mean to get the actual mean. Now to do this, we are going to use this formula. X bar is equal to A, where A here is the assumed mean, plus the sum of F times the deviations over the sum of F. Now A, we've said, is the assumed mean that is given, and then D is the deviation from X, and we've said X is the values of the items that we are given. So F here is the frequency of the items, that we have. Let's look at the first example. We are told, using an assumed mean of 8, find the actual mean of the distribution below. So this is the distribution. In the table here we have X, and then F here is for the frequency. So X is the items that you have. Now 5 is appearing once, 7 is twice, 8 is twice, 9 is 3 times, and 10 is twice. So the solution here is we will make a table as follows. Our table is going to have these columns. The column of X, which are the items that we have. Then there's the column of F, the frequency of the items that we have, or the number of times the items appear. Now D is simply X minus A, where A is the assumed mean. And F times D, that is FD, is the frequency times the deviations. So our D, when you start from the first row, we're going to have 5 as X. Then that is going to be 5 minus, the assumed mean is 8. So 5 minus 8 giving us negative 3. 7 minus 8 giving us negative 1 as the deviation. Then 8 minus 8 is 0. 9 minus 8 is 1. And 10 minus 8 is 2. So we must multiply the deviations by the frequencies. When you multiply that, 1 times negative 3 will give you negative 3. Then 2 times negative 1 will give you negative 2. Then 2 times 0 will give you 0. And 3 times 1 will give you 3. Then 2 times 2 will give you 4. So if you work this out, in total we will have negative 3 plus negative 2 plus 0 plus 3 plus 4. We will find that it is 2. The total that we'll find here is 2. So what we'll have is that now our formula, remember, it is X bar, that is the mean, is given by A plus the sum of FD over the sum of F. So our sum of F is 10 and our sum of D is negative 2. So we'll have 8 plus negative 2 over 10, and that will give us, not negative 2, sorry, 2 over 10, and that will give us 8.2.